those that don't know me, my name is Anaí, and today's video, guys, I am so excited. Well, I'm a little bit excited because I haven't finished my house, but today I am going to be revealing to you how my kitchen turned out. It is not completely done, and we have been here a couple of months already. I will show some clips that I do have, the process that we did do of how we put the house together. But in today's video, guys, I'm just going to be cleaning my house and just putting all my ornaments where I want them to be. And I'm gonna go ahead and just give the house little touch-ups that do need still. And if I don't do it, it's never gonna get done. So in today's video, this is what I'm going to be doing. So if you want to keep on watching, please enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys here in a little bit.
It's over. And over. Bless you.
Thank you.
Let's see. I just need this side. Bless you. Careful. Yeah, go get a mask. Gracias, hermano, que todo eso está sucio. Gotta drink your pill.
No. I think I should.
Should we eat?
Yeah, let's eat.
Okay, I finished over there. I'll come back and do this.
So I didn't get a lot of footage down as we were building the kitchen together because everything was just so tight in time and just so stressful. But after a couple days, these kids dropped some chocolate milk, as you can see right here. And so right now I'm going to be teaching you how to make something that you can keep your house super clean, smelling good, and germ free. So we are just going to be needing a cup of vinegar. And then we are going to be needing a teaspoon of baking soda. You want to have something good for it to smell, so I use this one right here, Mr. Clean. It smells super delicious. And also you are just going to be needing a little bit of Clorox, and you're ready to clean. I do like to start off by cleaning all of my appliances, my fridge, my dryer, my washer, everything, so everything can just stay clean. Every time I do clean something else, I do change the water out, and I do not use the same rag for the table. But this table, guys, I do like my table so much, but at the same time I don't, because it has a lot of detail to it. Whenever I clean my table from the top, a lot of the crumbs go in between the glass and this little part right here, so I always have to be picking up the table and then cleaning it out and then putting the glass back in. So if you guys do see this table at Ashley's, I would actually think about it again. Okay, so what I do want to be painting is all those imperfections that it still does have, like all of these right here, if you guys could see, like all of that, it came off because I used to put like my trastes on there to dry, and then it started peeling off. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint that again. This honestly makes my heart happy because this takes time, guys. It takes time, it takes dedication to actually do it. It has been bothering me a couple of days ago, and I mean probably like not days but months, you know, like I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do it, and I just never did. But yeah, like it looks so much better here once in a little bit that I do reveal to you guys how the outcome did turn out. This window was broken whenever we got here, and because we didn't have a lot of time, we had to move in. We decided just to put the air unit and just pretty much just close it up. But yeah, guys, it did come out a little bit more cleaner, and also I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the clip that I do have for you guys, and comment down below and let me know what you guys think, how you guys see it. I know that at the end of the day or end of the video, the house is not completely done. I have still more things to do, still more things to renovate, as you know, to put trim down into the house, but as time and money right now, we just don't have any, so we are just going to put that on hold and hopefully continue the house and continue making videos for you guys later down the future if God permits, and showing you guys what we can do into making this house look even much more better. What is that? Oh, it's a hole over there.
Right?
So that's it, right?
Yeah.
Anything to say?
What's up, YouTube?
And this is how the laundry room came out. I really liked it. I enjoyed it. I like how it just, you know, it has a little section for the laundry. I do want to hopefully get something that I can cover it there with, maybe some doors or something, so the laundry could have its own little room. But I did like how everything came out right there. It looks so much cleaner.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye guys!